Hola, ¿qué tal? Vamos a hablar de una letra, pero dos sonidos. La letra R, y la R suave, y la R fuerte. We're going to talk about the R, which has two different pronunciations, the strong R and the soft R. Let's have a look at some examples. Every time we have an R at the beginning of a word, for example, rosa, rose, río, river, it's a strong R, okay? Rosa, río. Every time we have an R after an N or an L, that R is also strong, okay? Enrique, the name of the man, Enrique. Alrededor, around, surrounding, alrededor. And the same goes for the double R in between vowels. Perro, the strong R. Perro, dog. Carro, car, okay? Now, let's see the soft R. Pedro, Pedro, the name of the boy. Árbol, tree. See, it's a very soft R. Cara, face, cara. Pera, pear, okay? Now, let's try with these tongue twisters. I'm not sure that I can get these right myself, but anyway, we're going to try, okay? And afterwards, I want you to practice. Let's see. R con R, guitarra. R con R, carril. Rápido ruedan los carros, rápido el ferrocarril. Okay, now it's your turn to try. Bye-bye.